map I have to teach and I will give you some revision. Yes. No, no. ये कैसे एडमिट करने का? हाँ? अच्छा. नहीं. आपने कर लिया? हैं? अब कर रहा है देखो. आने के. उसको तो किया लेकिन कर रहा है. इतनी भूल. क्या करते हैं?
हेलो,
हाँ.
आवाज आ रही है ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Yes, Aditya and Aaron. You want that both the history lessons to be taken? Others they told it is not coming, so.
Not coming, mine also.
Not coming. Aaron?
It's not there in my syllabus.
It is there actually, internal KV.
Yes.
Why we have to spend so much time on it? Okay.
You will teach the chapter and it will come in the test as well.
Mock test, no.
Not now.
No, mock test I did not include mock test. Okay. So
But
we.
it is related to that geography chapter and as well as so we
But that sir will take. No, I'm not going to. So we have to learn some map part. At the same time, I will give you some questions, that is revision questions. You want it or not?
yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Democratic rate पूरा सुन लो.
हो गया.
बराबर.
हाँ. मस्ती बहुत ज्यादा है.
अरे क्लास में उस रीड भी किया था मैंने रीड करना है.
Okay. You don't have any to say, no? I asked that they are also not having. No, I asked. No, that's I don't know. That is how we use it.
जर्नल में है ना है वर्ड में दिया है मार्क्स बट मैं एक बार ऐसे कर रहा प्रैक्टिस के लिए
हैं?
अब वर्ड में है लेकिन वो मैंने किया हुआ है पहले.
No. What all types of facts are coming? I will tell you.
But practice.
Practice is required.
हो रहा है मैनेज.
और ये नहीं पता है.
पेन कहाँ है?
तो नहीं पेंसिल नहीं लिख सकते ना.
हाँ, पेन से तो लिखना है. ये सिर्फ ऐसे करना हो गया. ये हो गया. इरेज और इरेज और ठीक है. और ये करना है इरेजर को पर्टिकुलर एक ही करना चाहिए. हाँ.
इससे इधर पेन है ना.
हाँ, पेन आपको कलर चूज करना है. बहुत सारे करेंगे. ये है ना स्मार्ट वन.
Okay. Say actually that the first lesson, French Revolution. French Revolution, the map you are doing or not? French Revolution, one map is there. The 90s page number. You are having this book. See, if you are putting a map, you just take France का map है. Map of France. The spread of great fear. Page number, the textbook, page number 9.
I don't have.
But in that also that one is, yes. Your volume, if it is there, 2-3 places are given.
Paris.
And one is that the main center is Paris. Have you seen?
Already marked.
Okay. Paris used to come. Bordeaux used to come.
Mercedes.
Brest used to come. And what? Nantes.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the places will come from that map of France. That is from the French Revolution. Clear? Sometimes the places will be given and you have to identify the place. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us move to next socialism, that Russian Revolution. That first lesson, that one only. Okay. Second, that socialism. See, in that Europe in the, sorry. Europe 1940. What is that? Europe 1940. The world was divided into 2 groups. Do you remember that which are the 2 groups?
Allied powers and Central powers, no?
So which are that? Central powers, which are they? Central powers, who are the members of the central powers?
Germany.
Japan was not there.
Austria.
Germany, Turkey, and Austria.
Austria, Hungary, Germany, and Italy were there. That is in 1882 they formed the alliance. Okay. So Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Italy. They formed the alliance in 1882. Okay. So that map can be seen from page number, textbook page number 30 in your the volume.
Page number.
Page number 59
Yes.
in volume. Okay. So you learn to identify Austria, Hungary, Germany, and Italy. We will see that Turkey was joined afterwards. Ottoman. Turkey, I will show you that is other group. Got it? Now,
Allied powers.
wait. Next group is Allied powers. Allied powers.
Russia.
USA, UK, or USSR.
France
Hmm.
and
USA.
That time USSR was not the USSR was formed in 1970. Okay. After forming that USSR, it withdrew and the USA joined.
one of them, बारबार select करना है, एक बार select किया हो गया,
But
color change करना है तो ही select करना है।
अच्छा बाद में देखते हैं
नहीं अभी देखो देखो select ना कर दो देखो
okay. Yes. Which are the countries can you identify? അതെന്താ ചിലപ്പോഴുള്ള കല്ലാണ് ഇതിന്റെയാണോ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും എനിക്ക് ചെയ്തു ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യും കുറച്ച് നേരം നോക്കിയിട്ട് ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പോകും. Sorry. So second group consists of France, Britain. Okay. It is already there now. Okay. Now, how to identify that you are knowing now? You have to select that. So where to locate you are knowing? Most important part I will not. See, that green color in the textbook, green color is shown for that allied power. United Kingdom, okay, United Kingdom, which is separated from Europe by that English Channel. This is what the English Channel. Got it? United Kingdom, France, and Russia. Have you seen? So
Yes, ma'am.
directly it may not come. Sometimes indirectly only the question will be asked. So you should remember which are the members of the central powers, which are the members of the allied powers. Is it clear? After that, no, you just mark in the volume that your places maps are there. Extra maps are given, so you just mark it. History, anyhow, 2 mark map question will come. So that is why for 2 mark purpose, so how many things we have to study. This is for the second lesson. Now let's go to the third lesson. Third lesson, Nazism. Okay, Nazism, what is the map? Again, it is coming allied powers and Axis powers.
Germany, Japan, Russia,
Allied powers, again the same thing. Allied powers, which are the allied powers?
England,
England, France, and Russia. USA joined in 1941. Okay, so allied powers. Then the other powers, Axis powers. Rome, Berlin, Tokyo, Axis. That is Italy, Germany, and Japan. Okay, this is one part. That is members of that allied and Axis powers. Is it clear? Now, another thing, which are the places that question is there? I'll give you some questions which can come. Which can come for that. Map का question है. Locate and refer the country where French Revolution started. Which country the French Revolution started? France. So you learn to mark that France. Clear? Locate and label the place where that first, French Revolution started. France to be marked fully. Next, identify the territory that was under German expansion. So here the place is given and you have to identify that is which place was under that, which place is shown. So one place which is shown there is Denmark. Then that is German occupation, one place which is given marking. So you just learn to identify the places of Europe. If you are able to identify the places of Europe, then you can identify no location. That is, it is not shown for location. Location that to France, which I have shown you, that one will come. Clear? Now another, we are moving towards the other place, that is other type of map. Another, on the given political map of the world, locate and label Turkey. How can you locate Turkey?
Between Europe and Asia.
That is just the east of that Mediterranean Sea. There are some places at the Balkan. Turkey can be located. You just note down which all things to be marked. One France, Denmark, then Turkey. It is given in the book. Whatever topics are there, given in the book, that way only the question will come. But you have to practice it. Got it? Then locate and label Austria-Hungary. Austria-Hungary. Knowing Austria-Hungary? That is Germany's. Understood. Austria-Hungary is that near north of Germany. Okay. Then identify the nation that was a member of Allied powers during the World War. So it is marked Russia. Russia is marked, so that you have to identify it. Clear? Understood? I am giving that whatever is there, that is one pattern, sample paper type only. Here another, on the given political map of the world, locate and label Germany. Germany, Austria-Hungary, France, these all places only we have just learned. Russia, UK, United Kingdom or Great Britain. Okay. Then identify the nation that was an Axis power during the World War II. The place is marked Italy. See, Italy is in between that Spain and France. This way it is entering into the Mediterranean. This way, if it is shown, that place is Italy.
Italy is near Germany.
Italy is not near Germany. It is in between France and Spain. That part.
Germany and France. Austria is with. You said between Spain and France.
You see that.
No, Spain and France.
After that, world map, let us see. Portugal, Spain, France. Yes. After France only. Portugal is that tip part, a smaller one. Then Spain, then France, then Italy is that entering into the Mediterranean Sea. That part, that type of place. Clear? On the given political map of the world, locate and label Turkey. Already I have told you. Identify the nation that was also a central power during the World War. Central power is that
Germany.
earlier Germany, Austria, Hungary, along with that Japan also joined for some time. Here it is marked Japan, the silent country. Depends upon that only. That much is not coming. You just identify where these places, this many places only will be come for history part. Hmm? Yes?
It mocks test for how it is
Eh?
It mock test for how it is structured.
Mock test history part, history map 2 mark.
Total weightage of history is
Total weightage
20 marks.
20 mark. Yes? Map part, any more question to be discussed?
No.
No. So now you do one thing. I'm just giving you some questions. Then if you need that answers, the answers also I will tell you. You just write down that question.
I can't understand.
All the 10. 2 mark question, 3 mark question, and 5 mark question. 4 mark question is passage based. Okay. So you will write down. Eh? Do I have to write on the board? Yes. Okay.
Yellow.
Where is that clear or shown? Oh,
Here.
okay. Thank you. Experts. Huh? Okay. Have you taken the book for writing? Okay. You write the question. I am writing that question. You just copy it out. I have told you 2 mark, 3 mark, and 5 mark questions. If you need answer, that would be that. Two mark question, 2 points to be there. Who were called November criminals? Knowing the government which was formed after that Kaiser William left the country, they consist of so and so. They formed the government in the month of November 1990. Okay, that is why they were called as November criminals. You want that answer? You can find out, no?
Do we have the answers?
Eh?
Answers.
Answers you want? Okay. You are able to write 2 points for that. There is no need. So I have to give maximum questions for.
Okay, next question.
No. Answer you write afterwards. Girish, knowing or not? No. You know, no? Write and you show me. Next class, when you are coming, just write and. Next one. Able to write now? Full form? That
Yes.
sometimes if it is given PIL, you have to write it. It stands for public interest litigation. Then definition. Last week I have taught you for abstract ideas. Got you are able to write, no?
Yes.
Every part I am giving. Hmm? Let us see. Saturday you are having class, no? Okay, this from ICO, food insecurity. Oh, sorry, food security level. These all are for good marks. Enshrined in the Indian Constitution. എവിടെ പഠിപ്പിച്ചു പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല പിള്ളേർ ഓൺലൈനിൽ Yes. छुट्टी में क्या है ये छुट्टी है आज है संडे हाँ संडे नो हाँ single unified judiciary what is that single unified judiciary you know only one level top level supreme court then below that high court 25 high courts are there and then over that district courts district court civil court is also there and criminal courts are also clear. This is what a single unified judiciary. Is it clear? Yes. Still Aditya is doubtful. Single unified means only one level. We know that other executive and legislature two levels are there. Central level is there, state level is there. But there is only one court at the highest level. That is Supreme Court.
Yes.
Below that is state highest court is High Court and below that district courts.
Yes.
This is what a single unified judiciary.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now next. These all are that 2-mark question type. 3-mark when I start I will tell you. this answer do you need? Little bit confusing type, no? Okay. No?
Yes.
Then you tell. You are telling a little bit asking. Yes. Right on. I will dictate only. 8. Seventh question. Seventh question's answer. Answer you write. First point. All laws, LLWS.
What?
Answer I am telling. All laws and major policy decisions, all laws and major policy decisions of the government are issued and writing or not? Are issued in the name of the president. Second, all major appointments, all major appointments are made in the name of the president. In the name of the president. The government is responsible. The government is responsible for ensuring security to
Light and then unlike this. Okay. Okay, so there's no hands.
But where the government is responsible for ensuring security to the citizens. Security to the citizens and providing education and health facilities to all. Health facilities to all. It collects taxes. It collects taxes.
Next point.
Continue. And spent money on administration, defense, and developmental programs. It formulates and implements It formulates and implements several welfare schemes. Welfare schemes. Scheme. So, political institutions are needed to attend all these tasks. Attend all these tasks. Okay. So if you are remembering 2 points or 3 points, you can write. That is why more points are given. The question is that why political institutions are essential. Did you get the point? Next. What are commands?
Give us information on it.
Okay. Okay, that lesson when it is completed, you can understand. Next question. Name any two estates into which French society was divided See, two estate names you can write any two estates. Three estates were there, no? Then the second part, the statement is given. Why was the treasury empty? Because of the prolonged war with the American colonies. Understood? Yes. That way, 2 mark question means both the parts to be. Clear? Completed no questions? Okay. Now, what number? 9. 9, no? 10 only. As many questions I am giving. I am not thinking about understood. You have to learn. Yes. Eh? I'm giving because now the whole book you have to study. So if I am giving that a few questions, that much you can focus on, no? 2 mark, 3 mark, and 5 mark. Question you are knowing? Liberals and radicals. Socialism lesson, that beginning part, what are the features of liberal and what are the features of radicals? Got it? Aaron? You were absent, I think so. When for?
Is they following the answer?
Eh? Knowing or not, that is socialism lesson. Beginning part, conservatives, liberals, and radicals. We have studied all those features.
Support
Women suffragette movement and all. Go back and study because question I have given, I have taught also. When you are checking, you can get. Huh? So any part, if you are having doubt today, that is after 2 hours that you will get so many questions. When you are having any doubt, you can ask for extra lecture. That time I will take. Those who have
Okay.
missed. Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, I guess she doesn't have all these.
And
If you write around that, just to answer.
it has sleep.
Then she has 3 hours.
Long back. How? So, you are the same pattern of question you are knowing, no? What is the pattern? Tell me.
20 or 25 MCQs.
25, no, 20 MCQs are. 20 MCQs are there.
Different case based, 1 mark space.
Explaining into our state. What's that?
Dignity of.
Explaining.
Yes. No.
Now,
Are you?
now, password credit for center.
Anyhow, I am not going out. If I go out, yes, first 20 questions are MCQs, then 4 2-mark questions are there.
Yes.
For 2 mark questions.
First on 20 executed, the case dates like.
No, it is not that pattern. Listen, no, your school, no, the board pattern is like that, up to 20 MCQs, then 21 to 24, that is 4 questions are 2 mark questions, then section C, that section B is 2 mark question, section C is 3 mark question. How many 3 mark questions? 5. 5 3 mark questions. Then afterwards, section D is 5 mark questions. How many questions? 4 questions are there. Clear?
Then ma'am,
Did you get the idea? See, 20 into 1, 20. Then how many questions is there? 4. Sorry, 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 8.
3 to 5, 5 into 3.
5 into 3, 15. Then
5 into 4. Then remaining now.
no, not map, case based questions are coming. That is 4 mark question. 3. That is 12. How many are there? How much is there?
40.
75.
Then,
The file is done.
eh? This is map question. So altogether 24, 29, 33, 36, 37th question. This is coming as one question. That is 37th question. A is from history and B is from
So,
geography.
for final.
Most mock test also same pattern. So 37 questions are there.
School
course.
exam. School exam.
School exam also same pattern. This is the board pattern. 10th standard also same pattern is there. 4 branches are there now. One history, one geography, one political science, and one economics. 5 mark questions. Okay, got the idea how the paper is? So 37 questions altogether. 37th A is history question. That also 2 questions are there. History also 2 questions. One is to identify and one is to locate. I have told you that is what. And then geography also 3 mark questions are there. It can be from any question, that is identifying also locating. Got it clear?
Okay.
Yes. No break is there. Why?
Why ma'am?
Continuing.
No.
Already.
Then you will not be able to study.
Why to leave? Only 1 more hour is there. Today 3 hours are not there.
Yes, but 5 minutes break.
I am not taking them.
Okay, so. Okay.
Now,
Please. And please give. You also want.
huh?
You also want.
It is only strike only.
Okay.
What you will do? Anyhow, I am not going out.
Okay, so in your teaching practice.
Okay.
That's it. It's 1, 2, 12, it's 1, 12, 12, 12, 1, 7 now.
Attendance she just why you did not know sleeping now.
Delia, वैसे हो गया. मैं चल रही हूँ बड़ी.
You have
Mainly, हाँ विंटर वंडरलैंड में गई थी कल वो है ना विंटर वंडरलैंड वो गाड़ी वाले
come fast.
Yes, currently, yes, that's right.
Power will break.
No. Please.
Come back.
not fair
They. Break. Become like a. एक लेक्चर की अच्छा लगेगा मैं देखने के बाद स्टाफ है आज तेरे कुछ देखो मैं जाऊंगी तो चलेगी Completed? Yes. You have written I want the answers. Should be written to your wish. So maybe, there is a dictionary search for देख लिखेगा तो भी चलेगा, but you have to learn afterwards. Have you written? Don't tell any excuses. You only asked that is how I can learn the whole thing. I'm just covering all the parts and important questions I am giving. So at least if you are studying, I have written that questions. From 14 to 18 I have written. Aditya, 14 to 18 you copied?
Yes, ma'am.
ये Aaron,
This no, this.
some questions I have here. Understood? What is giving like that only? Internal choice only. I can just solve that. Understood? So now 5 mark. If you are lucky, you may get. I don't. I can't assure you. That's a giving it. That was a maximum. No, board will say. I 5 marks. And
No 6 marks.
yes, now. As I did not join. Reach already, na? Break. See, please wait on 5 minutes. 5 minutes over, no?
You gave.
When? You went to washroom, you just came and sat and chat. All the things, yes. Ah. Okay, have you completed, boys? Yes.
After 15 question, 16 question.
Do fast, then only we can rub it.
Where is rub the one.
That means if I am
No, no, no.
taking that, you know, you have mixed the model. Clear?
Fiber here.
Then,
Fiber here.
further meaning.
Around.
You can circle it.
You people are experts in this field.
Circle it.
Huh?
Circle.
Circle करने, so it will go to.
Circle.
Okay. See me through. I don't see faster. It's not going for this. Option होगा. I'm not sure. Try. In both countries, as I have completed. एक कर दिया. Very good. Fine. Yes. Aaron,
Yes, ma'am.
14 to 18, have you copied?
17 and 18, I'm doing it. Rest, I'm done with it.
Then I'm just continuing upward. You do. Give now. Which one to begin? Mention. Yes. 19 those. जब अगर कोरियर को This algebra only making you not getting. You are very lazy. Yes. 10th standard, this laziness will not work. The full thing you have to study. No. And do it then. Not sure what it is. Oh, name. I am thinking now. Yeah. No, no. Yes. So, book completed? Yes. Up to that much? Yes, ma'am. Last question is, Rinko ka second chapter. God has the God very plan and that is education, adult education, distance education, compulsory education. Geography and eco. Whatever parts you are having doubt, then also you can ask afterwards. Okay, let me complete maths. Knowing or not? Any doubt is there? Aditya is very much dense.
Yes, ma'am.
Dense or not?
Yes, tense.
Why?
A little bit 10th standard, na?
No, you just go through because you did not
Okay.
revise the previous parts. No, that is why.
Yes.
When you are getting, you have that questions with you, you can learn and then write, or you just find out the answer and write it and then learn it.
Okay.
Anything can be done.
Okay.
What is convenient for you, you can do. Yes, Aaron? Now
Yes,
what is the question number 24?
This term is the second lesson. Geography second lesson. Huh? You just find out afterwards average. And how many 3 mark first? And 3 mark question 5 I told you, no? Let me see. Clear. सर बंद करके वही दो राइट now read ये बंद क्यों writing you don't have any book with you just like that one of the something and then textbook these questions you are knowing. Describe the climatic condition of India during retreating monsoon. Yes. Then how is monsoon known for its uncertainties? Uncertain, we cannot predict when it will arrive, when it will go, how long it will rain, that it will give rise to floods in some part, it will be giving famines in the other, droughts in the other side. Okay, it is having pulsating nature, irregularity. Okay, all those things are uncertain. Okay, constitution, what is the constitution? What are the three features? No? It is South Africa. Yes, anybody? Can you tell? Three characters.
Equality.
But
Uh,
see, the beauty is that it is called as the binding glue of that. What is that? See, the rulers and the ruled sat together and made the constitution. The whites were allowed to be the part of that government.
That's it. Home as is- home as is- That's what I'm saying.
No. Yes, you want that answer? Okay. Right.
First question.
Is it? You just write it and I will read it.
Ma'am, please write it.
Huh?
I'm
We
taking
can-
it. I'm taking it.
First you write it. One. Emergence of new democratic South Africa under black leaders. Under black leaders. Second point, based on equality, of all races, comma, men and women. Extensive rights were given to all citizens. Next point, everybody becomes the part of the solution. Everybody becomes the part of the solution. Huh? Next, determination of the people. That is one extra, let it be, no? Determination of the people to work together. Are you getting, Aaron? Because the rulers and the ruled sat together and worked out that constitution. That is the beauty. Understood? They had the determination to work it together. They allowed everyone to be the part. Okay, all these are the peculiar features. Got it? See, every time you just write 1 point extra. Board exam. Board exam, no, if you are confined to that 2 points and the second point is not applicable, you will not get mark, you will get only 1 mark. Then how will you ask? Who you will ask? That is why I told you, you just remove your laziness. You can do it, no? But your laziness little आगे. Correct? Now, okay. We have to walk over that. 5 are coming now. I mean, 5 marks here. No, 5 questions are coming. So which are coming, how you, I will know and how you will know. Questions. 1 marks.
Okay, we're not signature. 80. I'm just. I think ये वाला. Focus. 80. अरे कब है? पेपर नहीं है. ये मसला है. Okay, then ये. I can see that. And then when you just want to focus on yoga. At the 2 moments. So next time it will be extra. Yeah, I get a question. Question 9. I get a question.
It's coming worse than that. You have to understand.
Question because of the
Huh?
question. I mean,
See, you are having the habit of like just swallowing what you are getting. You are not having that capacity to interpret what is asked. And that way, you are in 9th standard now. After 2 months, you will be in 10th standard. So that way, you will not get the field. You have to understand. And that's good. Completed writing? Fully interested. Full. Good. Write fast. No, wait. Show me. What is the last name? There. Yeah, how you get it? Thank you. 29. Question है कि वो क्या वाली चल ये के बेसिक मिल जाए अरे जल्दी No, this is 5. It's like a setup. It must have a family theory. It's simplified number. We submit like that. All the 4 monsoon season now. How many that 4 monsoon seasons?
But that's first season.
Regional variation. The question is that how that climate is varied in different places. Some places are having heavy rainfall, some places are very low rainfall, some places are very hot, some places are very cold. Regional, you have to write, with the help of examples. Yes, reason also, that places also. Regional variation, that one heading is there.
Can you use for
No.
Why?
Variation. Here also beginning is given. In some Mercury occasionally adjust activity surfaces and parts of land expansion for well. Independent is also realistic. Very successful, sorry. I know. And it's not this one.
I heard.
I have that.
So now we make this.
Now, what does the question paper out there? No.
First, over. Very.
First can I admit? Hey. जब आते 2 minutes अच्छा 5 है हम साइड 2 5 तू जैसा दिख रहा है 5 क्वेश्चन मार्क है ना that 5 mark highlight 2 highlight 5 if 2 लगे 5 Yes. Is one enough. Answer B. So I don't have any pain in my hands. I'm checking that is for 5 hours that the papers online and offline. Plus I am just writing and doing so many other things. I don't have any. You are this one lazy and you have checked that time. How can I accept it? Behavior is not like minor. No, while going only you will take. Madam is not. See, I am just telling seriously. You are very much playful. You are having that one that this playfulness only dominate you. Come to that seriousness of your exam, your studies. Just bit serious if you are if you can. Understood? Everyone will not give you in tablet form. Just swallowing it and vomiting on the page. Okay. This question, many of you are not. This is 5-mark question. You have to understand global poverty trends. World economics, that is challenges. Yes, poverty as a challenge. In that world, sub-Saharan Africa, Latin American countries, in China, in other parts, that is what is the trend of poverty. Understood? So you are just writing anything and then going to sentence writing, you will not get mark. Global poverty trend, it is given very clearly. Have you seen that one? See, page number, textbook page number 35. If you did not know, this one page 35 of the textbook and 36 beginning part is given very clearly. Global poverty scenario, that is the heading. Have you seen? Economics textbook, poverty as a challenge. That lesson, page 35. You just write down in your that question. Alongside you just jot down page 35, 36. Ah. Okay. Huh? Okay. But these questions are very important. See, interstate disparities, that is between the states, how that poverty trend is. All the states are not having the same level of poverty. So that is what. So you are just writing in one sentence. It's a 5-mark. Interstate disparity also it is given. Kaveri river. No. That makes it some more. Ma'am, by the way, how many questions are there in this book? See, again, that page number 35, left hand side it is given. Interstate disparities. Okay, Aaron is sitting like a statue only. Okay. Interstate disparities. That means Bihar, Odisha, and all are very poor states. Whereas some other states are having a better condition. What is the ratio and how they have improved their poverty condition or improved from their poverty condition. Page 35, left hand side. Okay. See, we have learned the right to freedom is a cluster of freedoms. Freedom of speech and expression, freedom to assemble, freedom to move any part of the country. All those five rights. Okay, let it be. You just keep it as all. Okay, no problem. I just did not. Choice, no, you have put choice question. No, I did not put the number, no.
This is correct. It's very confusing.
Okay, which one? 34 and 35. Okay, so 5 provisions you understand? That all that freedom and expression. All it is a cluster of freedoms. 8 freedoms are there. So 5 you have to write. And when you are writing, don't write only that word. Cbse will not give mark for just word. It has to be elaborated. It has to be clearly written. Understood? The point to be clarified. You people got it? Yes. This is what is it? Significant. This lesson you have learned or not? Population in brief, not. But that part is important. See, do you know that is what is migration? There are 2 types of migration. One is that from rural area to urban area, and from one country to other country. So in migration and out migration. In migration means immigration. That is when some people are coming to our country or one place. That is immigration. The other emigration or out migration. Okay. Now what is happening? There is a change in both the cases. So if people are coming to one place, the number of the people are added or increased. From the place where they have come there, the number is decreasing. Understood? There is a change in this migration process. And the second thing is that what type of people are migrating? We know that mostly the males are migrating from one place to another in search of job. Then how you can get that 5 mark for just writing one sentence?
We can write our opinion first.
Your opinion is not the textbook enough points are there. Geography is there with you. Yes, it is there. Yes, geography, page number 53. Okay, page 53. The third component of population growth is migration. Migration is the movement of people across regions and territories. Migration can be internal within the country or international between the countries. Internal migration does not change the size of population because total population is calculated. Then, but influences the distribution of population within the nation because some cities are overcrowded cities and all. Okay. Then migration plays a very significant role in changing the composition. You just see that the same statement is given. Composition and distribution of the population. In India, most migration have been from rural to urban areas because of the push factor. They are pushed out in search of job. And there are adverse conditions of poverty and unemployment in the rural areas and pull of the city in terms of increased employment opportunities and better living conditions. There are some more points. See, not having job and poverty pushed them out. They wanted to search some job or some opportunity. So that is what they are pushed out and pulled in. That is in cities when they come, they get job, they get that food and other necessities. So that is what the pull factor. Okay.
Both are in mainly.
Eh?
Mainly it is factors.
See, when we are talking about that is why the migration is there. They are pushed out. They are pulled in. This is what when you are writing, then only it will be clarified. And the sentence when you are writing, it should be proper sentence. Anything should not be there. That is why I am telling you. Textbook page and all. More are there, but one more question I will give you from history. What are the consequences of Nazism? That is, when Nazism was established, what effect or what impact had taken place in Germany? I think few more questions to be given, another class. Huh? One more class I will request. Please give it. Huh? Just was actually so you practice it? Yes? We will be practice. Now, each and every point means if it is 5 marks, instead 5 points. You have to write it. Yes, you have to. Separate the book, you write and if any part doubt in the, you just request extra question and I will explain. Because I can send those in some other subjects. Okay. Alright. Okay. Bye bye. And we complete questions. Both of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ah.